If you want to draw a scatter plot to show the association between two quantitative variables, but you want to draw attention to one of the observations, you want to, for instance, change its color. Again, in other programs, this might be easy to do. Just click on the dot, change it. But in Google Sheets, as we saw with bar charts, if you want to change a bar, you got to do it in kind of a funny way. The way it works here is, again, we create a new column for the one data point that we want to highlight. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have our Q1 and Q2 sales. And let's say that we have a new channel, a new method of making sales, and we want to highlight that one. I'm going to come down here to this 116 because I know this is an unusual score. I'm going to cut it out of there and paste it over here. And now you see we've got this one value sitting in this column all by itself. Let me highlight all of this data. Just doing the Shift Command or Control in the spacebar, and then come over to Insert Chart. Now, what it does is it gives me these 3 bar charts, which is definitely not what I want. I'm going to come down to Scatterplot. And now when I move this over, you can see that the one unusual value is here all by itself, way up high. And that accentuates it so we can see that something else is going on with this particular data set. Now, another option I have here is to draw a trend line. And it does the trend line for the collection of the data. And you can see that, it's really kind of flat all the way through. And that highlights that it's really consistent from Q1 to Q2, except for this one special new channel that has been massively productive in getting us sales in the second quarter. So again, it's a little bit of a hack, but if you want to highlight the one of them in Google Sheets, you're going to need to put that value into a separate column. You only need to put one of the values for it into a separate column, and that will allow you to put it in a different color and draw attention to it.